konting interview lang tungkol sa school. Sino ba yung mga founders ng school?
Actually, kasi family institution under the David family, headed by Mrs. Linda David. No? Yung mga anak nila, sila rin yung manage dito. First one is Teacher Bullet, or Teacher Bullet, David Santos. Ang babaeng anak niya, siya yung pinaka-principal ng school. Sir Dong David, Dr. Dong David, the president of the school. And then yung mother niya, siya yung pinaka-owner, si Mrs. Linda David. Siya yung pinaka-owner dito sa school na to, sa St. Francis Hall.
Bali, isang family sila, sir, nagtatag sila
Yes.
ng school.
Sila yung mga teacher.
Kailan sir, na-found yung school?
It was founded last 1986, January 1986. We started all by nag-adapt sila ng mga students. Nag-start ito sa mga class of 3s or class of 4s, lahat ng mga 3 years old, 4 years old. Sila naman ng mga parents sa school para mag-aral. And then hanggang sa lumaki ito, hanggang lumaki yung mga students dahil sa mga galing at maayos na pamamalakad ng institusyon.
So 30 years na, no, sir?
Yes.
From 1986?
Actually, soaring high, 31 years na, this 2016.
31 years na. Ano ba yung konting history ng school, sir?
Yes, actually, yung first name nito is Golden Harvest Institute. We're in learnings and accommodation ng mga mentally challenged, especially yung mga nahihirapan magbasa, nahihirapan magsulat, even sa tamang edad nila. Minsan 9 years old, 10 years old, di ba sila marunong magsulat? Or yung mga late bloomers, yung kanilang education system, na hindi sila agad nakakapag-group. And then, sinimulan nito, mo yung story nito. So actually, sinimulan nito ni Teacher Lou, Teacher Lou Lucena, Teacher Arlene Castillo, and Teacher Bonet sa pamamagitan ng pagtanggap ng mga 3 years old, 4 years old, and 5 years old bilang isang learning school or learning daycare center on the school ng Golden Harvest.
Okay, sir. Tungkol naman po sa mga employees, sir. Ilan ba ano ba lahat ng mga employees dito?
Okay. So, syempre una natin ito sa owner, kung sino yung mayari ng institution, Mrs. Linda. And then, headed by the president of the institution, Sir Dr. Dong David. And then our principal or head teacher would be Mrs. Bonet Santos David, or Bonet David Santos. And then meron kaming administrators and staff, office administration. We have Sir Ray Arciga, the assistant principal, Miss Melanie David, the spouse of Dr. Dom David. Siya yung head admin namin dito. And then we have Teacher Rolette, the registration and registrar. Teacher Jessica, the guidance counselor. And we also have Teacher Rolette, the office clerk, and Teacher Des, then TechVoc or Technical Vocational Staff, Des Santos. And then we have 16 teachers. 6 of them are regular teachers. We have Teacher Jessica, Teacher Lou, Lucena, Teacher Cheryl, Teacher Erlene, Teacher Arlene, Teacher Ray Arciga, and Teacher Belen. And our new teachers are, and siyempre ako, Professor Carlo Bondok, the President of the Faculty President Club. We have also my Vice President, Teacher Chelsea, my Secretary, Teacher Abby, my Treasurer, Teacher Jasper, and then we also have Teacher Pat, Teacher Len, Marlena, and Teacher Madel, Math teacher. The English teacher, we have Teacher Tracy. We also have Teacher Len Forrestman and Teacher Jessica. Yan yung mga teachers. All in all, 21 kami ng guys dito, the whole institution.
Bali yung mga teachers, 16 po.
Yes, 16 teachers and 5 of them are office and admin staff.
About naman po sa mga students, sir. Number of students.
Actually, number of students, we have more than 200 or less than 200 pala actually. 187 from class of 3s up to grade 10, 11.
Bawat grade, ilan po yung section nila?
bawat grade and bawat class, meron kami isang section. Then, gusto namin yung teaching namin dito is focus sa mga students and student-centered. And we want them to develop their motor skills and ability to think fastly.
Every section, sir, ilan yung mga pupils nila?
Minimum students dito is 12 each section, and maximum student we have 27 the grade 3 students.
And 7 grade 3 students on the maximum.
Sila yung pinakamarami.
Yung about sa curriculum, sir,
Curriculum, we follow the DepEd education system, the new basic education curriculum, the K-12. Siyempre, we also, kung ano yung pinapalakan ng sistema sa Department of Education, ganun din yung sinusunod namin. And most of the teachers, somehow, yung iba, hindi po mga core classers, pero they were trained by different seminars and workshop conducted by the DepEd Education Division.
Okay, sir. If you don't mind, sir, pwede namin tanong kung ilan yung salary ng mga teachers.
Yan, meron kami mga, syempre, that's professional, so we cannot publicly announce kung magkano yung salary or rate per teachers. Syempre, nakadepende yan sa aming mga position and sa aming ranking bilang teacher.
Okay, sir. Yun na lang po, siguro sa tuition fee.
Yes, tuition fee and miscellaneous. Regularly, syempre yung mga students namin, konti lang. So, para patuloy mag-grow yung gusto namin, dapat, unang-una is, tuition fee, medyo mataas siya, kasi nga private school tayo. More than 22 to 25,000. And our miscellaneous is 12,000. Only meron is 37,000.
37,000. Okay, sir. Siguro ganun na tayo. Tapos na mo.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, bali.